switch and going up. Okay. So we'll pause again. Yatan. Pause. So, release or not? Yeah. Okay. Going up. Now go down. If you want to make it slow, release this one. Just release all. Put the switch slow. Put it down. Oh.
How much water we should fill in?
It depends. Even you make cold, much better.
Okay.
What? How do you know if there is water? Let's open this one. Here, look. How many now?
20?
Make it strong. Okay.
So this is let the air goes out.
Yeah, for the you will see the reflection coming.
Okay.
The green color, this is the fuel economy. When you are running and your gauge is from here to there, it is a concern. Gas. But when you reach there, too much. Must be only this side, this way, this place. Pause.
Check-in.
Well, check it coming.